Welcome to the latest episode of The Inspired Elite. Today we're diving into the powerful topic of mindfulness. This episode is all about taking a step back, tuning into ourselves, and aligning our thoughts and actions with the life we want to create. Mindfulness isn't just a buzzword. It's a way to truly connect with the present moment, and in doing so, unlock greater peace, clarity, and focus. It's a practice that can help us move closer to our goals and build a life that feels both intentional and fulfilling. So whether you're here to get inspired, motivated, or simply take a moment for some self-reflection, you're in the right place. Think of this episode as your invitation to pause, breathe, and reset. Get ready to explore how the power of mindfulness can transform your mindset and your life. Take a deep breath, find a quiet space, and give yourself permission to just be present for the next few minutes. Let's dive in together, explore, and discover how we can bring the extraordinary into the everyday. And as always, let's go. 1. The power of mindfulness. What is mindfulness? Let's start with the basics. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment, aware of where we are and what we're doing, without judgment. It sounds simple, but in today's fast-paced, distraction-filled world, it's anything but easy. Think about the last time you ate a meal. Were you truly savoring each bite, or were you scrolling through your phone or mentally planning your next task? That's where mindfulness comes in. It's a way to anchor yourself to the present moment and experience life more deeply. Why does mindfulness matter? Science backs it up. Mindfulness has been shown to reduce stress, improve focus, and even boost your immune system. But beyond the research, mindfulness helps you connect with yourself and the world around you. It's a tool for clarity, for calm, and for cultivating a sense of gratitude and joy. Imagine being less reactive to challenges, more present with loved ones, and more attuned to your goals and values. That's the power of mindfulness. The myth of clearing your mind. Before we go further, let's bust a common myth. Mindfulness doesn't mean you have to clear your mind of all thoughts. Your brain is designed to think. It's what it does. Instead, mindfulness invites you to observe your thoughts without getting swept away by them. Picture your thoughts as clouds drifting across the sky. You don't need to chase them or push them away. Just notice them and let them pass. Practical ways to practice mindfulness. Now that we've set the stage, let's get practical. How can you incorporate mindfulness into your daily life? Here are a few simple yet powerful techniques. Mindful breathing. This is one of the easiest ways to bring mindfulness into your routine. Simply focus on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose for a count of 4, hold for a count of 4, and exhale through your mouth for a count of 6. Do this for a few minutes, and notice how it calms your mind and body. You can do this anywhere, at your desk, in a traffic jam, or even while waiting in line. Body scan meditation. A body scan is a great way to check in with yourself. Lie down or sit comfortably. Close your eyes and bring your attention to each part of your body, starting from your toes and moving up to your head. Notice any tension, discomfort, or sensations without judgment. This practice not only relaxes you, but also helps you become more aware of how stress manifests physically. Mindful eating. Turn your meals into a mindfulness practice. Before you eat, take a moment to appreciate the colors, textures, and smells of your food. As you eat, chew slowly and savor each bite. This not only enhances your enjoyment, but also improves digestion and helps you tune in to your body's hunger and fullness cues. 5 senses exercise. Whenever you feel overwhelmed or distracted, try this grounding technique. Pause and identify. 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, 1 thing you can taste. This exercise anchors you to the present moment and helps shift your focus away from stress or worry. Mindful movement. Mindfulness isn't limited to sitting still. Practices like yoga, tai chi, and even a mindful walk can help you connect with your body and the present moment. When walking, for example, notice the sensation of your feet on the ground, the rhythm of your breath, and the sights and sounds around you. Mindfulness at work. Mindfulness isn't just for your personal life. It can transform your work life too. Here's how. Start your day mindfully. Before diving into emails or tasks, take a few minutes to set an intention for the day. What do you want to focus on? How do you want to show up? Single tasking. Multitasking might feel productive, but it often leads to mistakes and burnout. Try focusing on one task at a time, giving it your full attention. Mindful breaks. Take short mindfulness breaks throughout the day. Step away from your screen, stretch, and take a few deep breaths. Gratitude practice. End your workday by reflecting on 3 things you're grateful for. This simple habit can boost your mood and help you unwind. Overcoming common challenges. You might be thinking, this all sounds great, but I don't have time, or I tried mindfulness before and it didn't work for me. Let's address these hurdles. Time. Mindfulness doesn't have to take hours. Start with just 1 minute a day and build from there. Impatience. Remember, mindfulness is a practice, not a perfect. It's okay if your mind wanders. The key is to gently bring your focus back. Doubt. If mindfulness feels awkward at first, that's normal. Stick with it, and over time, it will become more natural. Mindfulness and manifestation. Mindfulness pairs beautifully with manifestation. By being present, you can clarify what you truly want and align your actions with your goals. For instance, if you're manifesting a new career, mindfulness can help you identify your strengths, overcome self-doubt, and take intentional steps toward your dream job. As we wrap up today's journey into mindfulness, I want to leave you with one powerful reminder. Mindfulness is more than just a practice, it's a way of living. It's about fully experiencing each moment, no matter how small, and recognizing the beauty and opportunities that lie within our everyday lives. When we take the time to be present, we open ourselves up to clarity, peace, and a deeper connection to ourselves and the world around us. But here's the thing. Mindfulness doesn't have to be complicated or overwhelming. It can be as simple as taking a few deep breaths, pausing for a moment of reflection, or just noticing the sensations of the world around you. Start small, and over time, you'll begin to notice its incredible impact. So, what's next for you? How will you bring more mindfulness into your day-to-day life? Maybe it's in the way you approach your morning routine, how you interact with others, or simply being more aware of your thoughts and feelings. The key is to start, even if it's just for a few minutes a day. Remember, every small step counts. By choosing to be mindful, you're choosing to live with intention and purpose. You deserve to experience every moment to its fullest, and mindfulness can be the gateway to that. Take a moment now to pause, breathe, and reflect on how you can bring mindfulness into your life. The power is in your hands. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of mindfulness. I hope you feel inspired to bring more presence and peace into your life. As always, let's go out there and make the extraordinary our everyday reality. Until next time, stay mindful, stay motivated, and stay amazing.